So here we have the IS250 steering wheel. I haven't taken out the other one yet because I want to see all that I got with it. So these are the main switches. I believe I gotta mix these up somehow because this is the ground. Obviously, this has to be the ground. So I have to see what I have to do in order to get the paddles to function properly. This has to be the cable for all this, but the cable for the paddle has to be coming somewhere. It might be together with this, but I'm not 1000% sure. But or it might be these guys right here, to be honest. But let me check out real quick. I'm gonna do some research. I'm gonna look at some videos online because they've done this before and I want to see what I have to do. I was also told I might have to shave this down a bit, but we'll see. Maybe I don't, because this is from an IS350, so it might be a little different than the IS250, if not probably the same thing. But let's see how it goes. Nice looking solid steering wheel. All right, guys, so we're back in the car and I did already take out the little screws. Very boring, but they're T30, I think T30 screws. I loosened them up. They should be loose by now. I'm gonna keep trying real quick because they should be all loosened up. I don't know why it's being like this, but they should be all loose. All right, let me see. This side is, I don't know, I loosened it up. It's kind of weird, but give me 1 second, I'll be back. All right, so the screws themselves aren't very long. They're just a little bit annoying to get to. Not to get to, but like make it a little annoying to take the steering wheel out because of how they are, like, I guess, designed. They literally get stuck right here on this little lip. So like the steering wheel might be loose, but they're still like stuck in the little hole. So you're trying to pull it out and it's like fighting you. So what I did is I pulled this slip out like that and slid it out, and then I slid the airbag out. I think that this is a 17 or 18. No one really has said the size on the videos, but I'm gonna assume it's a 17 or 18. I'll confirm right now. Let me go find my big wrench and get this loose. All right, so I got it. It was actually fairly loose and nothing too crazy. I got it broken with my little 10-inch breaker bar. Came with my little Cobalt tools. And then now, I guess, actually, let me be safe about this. We're gonna hit it. All right, so I got it loose, and now we're just gonna, bang on it so you could pretty much get it out of there. Mine's already out with a couple bangs. Nothing too crazy. So the hard part is actually gonna be, I have to test fit the IS250 wheel so it doesn't bang on anything. And let me get that done. All right, guys, we are in my front yard. My car is taken apart. I'm holding a wire in my hand. This is the ground wire that I'm extending because if we go over here, the IS250 actually has, ouch, that hurt, I stabbed myself, the pin for the ground for the horn right here, rather than on the actual wheel, on the stock IS one. But that's not a big deal. My crude wiring work has paid off. I have everything plugged in the way it should. These extra wires, do not mind them because, oh, wait. What's that? What's that? A hat. This red one, I'm gonna delete because that is not the cruise control. It's this guy. So I'm gonna wire this one up to this guy again. This red one to this one. So it's downshift. See, I'm a little messed up here. So it's downshift, upshift, common ground, cruise control, and then horn ground. So yeah, we have these here. I'm gonna finish wiring it up. I'm about to swap this igniter to this igniter, and then this is gonna go with the steering wheel. I'm gonna sell it. I don't know people if they're gonna use it or not, but this is going on the new on this new wheel. and it's going into the car. So far so good. My next video will be me driving it around to see if it shifts and downshifts and whatever. Little test, you know. All right, so I am halfway done with installing my wheel. I know my wheel wasn't perfectly straight because my car needs alignment, but I got it as straight as possible where it comes, and then I'm gonna tighten it up. Right now I have everything plugged in. I know that I am not a wiring guru. I suck at doing wiring, but I did get some heat shrink on there. Some of these wires I'm not using, so I just clipped them away. So these guys are on here good, kind of trying to hide them so like they're not all in the way, I guess, the best that I can. Or maybe I could slide them under here. Yes, I'll just slide them under here. Sorry, I'm a little distracted at the moment trying to make this look a little clean-ish. Nothing crazy, but yeah, here we go. This is everything. I cut my harness kind of short, and I left a lot more harness for whoever buys the steering wheel next, because it does have to be wired in. But I have to plug this in. I'm gonna tighten this up right now. This should be good for now. I am gonna drive it around, so it's gonna be harder for me to tell what gear I'm in because I don't have this. So I have to actually go drive the car around and tell you if it shifts or if it doesn't shift. And if it blows up, fuck, I'm gonna die. But for now, let's hope that doesn't happen. Let me tighten this up. Let me put the new airbag on here, switch the igniters, and see how it goes. All right, guys, so this is the final test. The horn works. Yeah, ignore that. My ABS, my brake booster is fucked. So as soon as I do that, my car just misfires. Here we go again. It wants to die because of the fucking brake booster, but aside from that, the car's mint. Let me turn off this AC. Haven't been here in a minute, so it's probably like, All right, let me drive it around. There it is. Brake booster. Oh. All right, guys, I am in manual mode. My tools are in here. I'm driving the car. Let's see. And it's working. Holy crap, it works. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that it works. Oh, no brakes, no brakes. No brakes. It's dying. Don't die, baby. All right, let's do this. Okay. I'm somewhere in first or second gear. Oh, there it is. No brake booster. All right, this is purely tests. Don't do this. Brake booster's fucked up, but still got new brakes, baby. My cruise control never really worked, but I plugged it in just in case. But the paddles work, the horn works. Oh, I'm gonna end up shimming this tranny a little. Ooh, when that works, oh, it's so good. I am very satisfied with how this came out. This is from my old wheel. I never had like a carbon steering wheel or nothing. This is a steering wheel cover. It looks pretty minty. Gives you these little bulges. Pretty good. I'm so proud of myself. I can't believe I did this. I wired my own radio, but that was not a big deal. People do it all the time. But this, my steering wheel to get it to work, this is insane to me. I can't believe I was able to accomplish something like this, especially with an IS250 steering wheel on an IS300. The interior is coming along so nicely. This is so dirty. I gotta fix this. Insurance is a bitch, so I gotta deal with them. This is coming off because I do not like the Alcantara. It has a plastic underneath, so I'm gonna run that. I'm gonna fix this, paint everything, probably black. Everything is gonna be black because that's the theme of the car. Black with chrome rims at least. So for now, I'm so happy how this came out. The car is coming along pretty much. I am buying a new one of these with the cubby. I'm buying this whole piece right here just because I want it. I don't think it looks very clean, so I'm getting this whole entire piece. The dash is perfect for the year of the car. The car is mint. I am so happy with how this came out. Oh my god. Let me give you some b-roll shot and end this video because it's really hot outside and my AC is not doing its job.
This is a melody. Baby, welcome to the party. I'm off the money, that's why I'm over retarded. That's why I'm over retarded? Baby, welcome to the party. I hit the boy up and then I go skating.
Alright guys, cleaned up everything. All I have left is the stock steering wheel. I am going to be putting this up for sale on Marketplace. It's going to be on my Instagram also. I want $65. If anybody wants it, you know, that's cheap. I've seen people post this for like 100, 200 bucks. But that's about it. The car's coming along really good. It's got new rims, new tires, new steering wheel, new headers. The exhaust has to be fixed because it has a nasty leak that I hate driving around like that. Brake booster just gave out on me the other day, so ordered that, coming soon. Make a video. I'll make a video when it's replaced. The bumper should be in on the 18th. I did end up buying a stock one, but something happened, and I'll tell you when I get the bumper, and I'll show you which one I end up getting. It is not the TRD bumper or the Neo bumper, but it's very similar to it. It's like a version of it. You guys will see when it gets here. Thanks for watching the video, I guess. I'm pretty much done now. I'm gonna go inside, edit the video, clean up, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, you know, share it. It helps me out. You know, I'm not trying to like have a million subs or something, but just trying to share my content, you know, trying to teach people here and there. Oh, and I did end up finding out that the nut is an 18 mil. The guy in the video I watched said it was a 17 mil. But yep, just wanted to let you know about that. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and peace.